Broadway star Ruthie Ann Miles is out of ICU and healing after deadly car crash. After a car crash hospitalized Ruthie Ann Blumenstein and killed her 4-year-old daughter Abigail, the Broadway star provided her followers with a life update. "Thank you for your prayers over our families and holding us in our pain," a note shared via her Twitter account read. "We are extremely grateful for your kindness and generosity. That took place Mar. 5 in Brooklyn, New York. According to the New York Police Department, a 44-year-old driver failed to maintain control of her vehicle and struck pedestrians at the intersection of 9th Street and 5th Avenue in Park Slope. The car didn't stop until it hit a parked and unoccupied car. Reported the driver claimed to have medical issues. She was hospitalized and is now in stable condition. Blumenstein, who uses the stage name Ruthie Ann Miles, and her daughter suffered various injuries to their heads and bodies, the NYPD reported. Both were taken to Methodist Hospital, where Abigail was pronounced deceased. Blumenstein, who is pregnant, is in stable condition. Ruthie is now out of the ICU and healing. The note continued, "All accounts it is a miracle our second child is unharmed." Blumenstein and her daughter weren't the only ones hit. The driver, another woman, Lauren Liu, and her 1-year-old son Joshua were also struck the vehicle. While Liu is in stable condition, her son was killed. In addition, a 46-year-old male pedestrian was hit and hospitalized. He is also in stable condition. Please continue to pray for the Liu and the Blumenstein families as we process the unthinkable and lay our grief in the arms of Jesus, the note continued. Joshua and Abigail are now resting in heavenly peace and joy. A was set up for Ruthie and her family friend Jack Stevens. Ruthie is beloved her many friends and colleagues in the Broadway and touring communities, he wrote. She is always kind and always has a smile. It is our honor to help her in this difficult time. Several members of the Broadway community, including Lin-Manuel Miranda, Kristen Chenoweth, Ben Platt and Josh Groban, tweeted their condolences for Blumenstein's loss and urged their followers to donate. At the time of this writing, the GoFundMe account had raised about $386,000, surpassing its original $5,000 goal. A GoFundMe account was also set up for Liu and her family. So far, it's raised nearly $207,000. In 2015, Blumenstein won a Tony Award for her performance in The King and I. Show comments FOMO no more. Sign up now. Entered incorrectly. Please try again by subscribing to our newsletter. You agree to the and success. Thank you for subscribing. We're sorry. An error has occurred. US CAUKAUDOFRUSE is everywhere. This content is available customized for our international audience. Would you like to view this in our US edition? Is everywhere. This content is available customized for our international audience. Would you like to view this in our Canadian edition? Is everywhere. This content is available customized for our international audience. Would you like to view this in our UK edition? Is everywhere. This content is available customized for our international audience. Would you like to view this in our Australian edition? Ist überall dieser Inhalt ist für international Besucher verfügbar. Möchtest du ihn in der deutschen Version anschauen? Is everywhere. This content is available customized for our international audience. Would you like to view this in our German edition? Est partout une version adaptée si contenu est disponible pour notre public international. Souhaitez-vous voir ça dans notre edition française? Is everywhere. This content is available customized for our international audience. Would you like to view this in our French edition? Yes. No, thanks. Yes. No, thanks. Yes. No, thanks. Yes. No, thanks. Ja, nein, danke. Yes. No, thanks. Oui. Non, merci. Yes. No, thanks. Yes. No, thanks. Yes. No, thanks. C. No, gracias. Yes. No, thanks. Translate to English. 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 This content is available customized for our international audience. Switch to US edition. This content is available customized for our international audience. Switch to Canadian edition. This content is available customized for our international audience. Switch to UK edition. This content is available customized for our international audience. Switch to Australian edition. Möchtest du zur deutschen Version wechseln? Do you want to go to the German edition? Souhaitez-vous vous rendre sur l'édition française? Do you want to go to the French edition? This content is available customized for our international audience. Switch to US edition. Hemos especializado nuestro sitio para tu region. ¿Quieres ser online Latino? We have specialized our website for your region. Would you like to switch to our Latino edition? Yes. 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 Ja. Yes. Oui. Yes. 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 Sí. Yes.